Python logging, use milliseconds and time format. By default logging.formatter %time prints with the following format, where 638 is the millisecond. I need to change the comma to a dot to format the time I can use. However, the documentation doesn't specify how to format milliseconds. I found this so question which talks about microseconds, but A, I would prefer milliseconds, and B, the following doesn't work on Python 2.6, which I'm working on, due to the %f.
This should work too.
Please note Craig McDaniel's solution is preferable, unless you need support for all ISO 8601 format codes. Logging.formatter's format time method looks like this. Notice the comma in %s, %o3d. This cannot be fixed by specifying a date because CT is a time.struct_time and these objects do not record milliseconds. If we change the definition of CT to make it a datetime object instead of a struct_time, then, at least with modern versions of Python, we can call ct.strophtime and then we can use %f to format microseconds. Or, to get milliseconds, change the comma to a decimal point, and omit the datetime argument.
Adding sex was the better option, thanks. Here is my amendment using this with Python 3.5.3 in Blender.
The simplest way I found was to override default_msec_format.
I figured out a two-liner to get the Python logging module to output timestamps in RFC 3339, ISO 1801 compliant format, with both properly formatted milliseconds and time zone, and without external dependencies. Example. Alternatively, that last line could be written out as follows. That method could also be used on specific formatter instances, rather than overriding at the class level, in which case you will need to remove self from the method signature.